Have you ever wondered which language is the best to start with? Is it Java or Kotlin? Both are popular languages, especially for Android development. In fact, over 80% of Android apps are built using them. But which one should you choose as a beginner? Today we will dive into the pros and cons of Java and Kotlin. By the end, you will have a better idea of which language fits your needs. First, let's talk about Java. Java has been around since 1995, making it one of the oldest programming languages. Its long history means there are tons of resources available. You will find countless tutorials, forums, and libraries to help you. Java is also highly portable. You can run Java applications on any device that has the Java virtual machines. That's huge for developers looking to reach various platforms. Now let's discuss the syntax. Java's syntax is straightforward, making it relatively easy for beginners. However, some people find it a bit verbose. You often have to write more code to accomplish the same task compared to other languages. Now let's switch gears and look at Kotlin. Kotlin was introduced in 2011 and has been endorsed by Google as the preferred language for Android developers. One of the biggest benefits is that it's fully interoperable with Java. This means you can use Kotlin and Java together in the same project. Kotlin's syntax is also much cleaner and less verbose. This means you can write less code to achieve similar results. For example, if you want to declare a variable in Java, you might write int number equal to 10. But in Kotlin, you can write just val number equal 10. The difference between Java code specified here and that of Kotlin is the int and the val, which is both specified in each language. Int number 10 in Java simply means that you are declaring an integer and you have to tell it that you are declaring an integer, else it might take it as a string. And then in Kotlin, val number equal 10 means that you are declaring a variable of 10. Meanwhile, it's going to understand that 10 is an integer automatically, so you don't need to tell it that you are declaring an integer, which is more user-friendly. It's like communicating with a normal natural language. So it saves you a lot of time refactoring your code and also trying to specify whether it's an integer you are declaring or a string. So Kotlin is more cleaner, more versatile, and it makes you relate with it like you are relating to a normal human being. Kotlin also offers modern features like null safety, making it easier to prevent errors from null references. But is Kotlin perfect? Not quite. Since it's newer, you might find fewer resources compared to Java. That said, its popularity is quickly growing and new resources are popping up every day. Now let's talk about the job market. Java has a more established presence. You will find a larger number of job listings looking for Java developers. But Kotlin is catching up fast. More companies are seeking Kotlin skills as they transition to Android development. This shift means having Kotlin on your resume can set you apart. So what should you choose? If you are looking for a language with lots of resources, a big community, and job security, Java is a solid choice. However, if you prefer a language that is more modern, concise, and tailored for Android development, Kotlin could be your way to go. Remember, it's not always about which language is better. It's about which one aligns more with your goals and interests. Before you decide, ask yourself a few questions. What kind of applications do you want to create? Are you more focused on Android or other platforms? Do you prefer more straightforward syntax or don't mind a bit of verbosity? These questions can help you determine which language might fit your needs best. No matter what you choose, remember the learning program is a journey. Both languages are valuable, and the skills you develop will serve you well regardless of the path you choose. So, which language will you start with, Java or Kotlin? This is my honest review. If you are starting out as an Android developer and as a beginner, you'll need to start with Kotlin because it is fast moving in the industry. If you go with Java, you will soon be left out because many developers have transitioned or are transitioning to using Kotlin. Drop your thoughts in the comment below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on programming and technology. Thanks for watching and happy coding.